Hello everyone, in today's video we are gonna see the new feature of product tagging. We will see how to manage it from the admin panel as well as how we can make it visible on the website. Let's start it. Just log in to the admin panel of your website. This is our dashboard. Here go to the catalog section and in the products. Here we have already added many of the products. I'll pick any of the products. Suppose if I go for slim fit blue jeans, I'll just edit over there, and there in the option of product tag I can mention the tag whichever I want to. Suppose if I want to mention this product under the tag of 25% discount, you can see here the tag has been generated. Just save it. Again, if I want to add any other products with tag, I can do it. Suppose if I am selecting this product, I will just go to the edit part. I will give the product tag. Same product tag can also be given. Suppose 25% discount tag, here I have already given. If I want to give multiple tags, that also can be done. Suppose if here I am giving style icon. Okay, so now just save it. Now let's see on the website how we can make it visible. Go to customize your website. In the next tab you can see our website is open. Make sure this radio button is turned on. Do you want to enable editing? Now here you can see the option given as add section. What we need to do is we need to click over here. Here you will get the options which are available. Go for the tag wise products. Click over there. Now here you can see two layouts. Check the preview of it. Here you can check the preview for it. This is the first one and this is the second one. Suppose if I want to choose the second one, what I'll do is I'll just go to the tag wise products. I will apply it from here. So as you can see, I have applied it from here. The title can be seen, tag wise products. Now here you can see a pen icon is there, manage tag wise products. Just click over there. Here it is asking you for the product tags images which you want to add. So on clicking here you will see the list of tags which you have given to your products. Suppose if I am going for 25% discount and saving it, the products whichever I have given the tag as 25% discount will be seen here. Same way I can add multiple tags. Again I can search it from here. If I am going for new arrival, if I am going for, suppose if I am going for cargo, and so on. I can add multiple tags. Doesn't matter to whichever category those products are in. Here tag wise products are seen only on the basis of the tag which you have kept for the product. Just save it over here. The website refreshes once you make any of the changes. Here you can see the slider has been added on your website. These all the products are from different categories, but these are seen here under a single tag because we are mentioning here the products which are on the basis of tag. Now if you want to edit this text, you can click over there. Here the pen icon is there. Just click and mention the title whichever you want to keep on your website. Suppose if I am keeping 25% summer collection, just update it from here. You have updated it from there. Just press F5 to refresh the website once. Here you can see on the left side the text which I have written is mentioned 25% summer collection, and here are the products which are of different category but are having the tags which I have added. Clicking here on the product will directly take me to the product details, and again clicking on the home section I'll go back to my website, and here I can see here is the banner and here are the tag wise products. Hope you all understood about the product tagging feature. We will discuss more about other features in our upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Have a great day.